Hey, what's up, Team Heart? I wanted to tell you guys something, so let's do this. Kagebushin no Jutsu! What's up, HPB? Hey, what's up, Krish? Can you please go ahead and start the second channel for my life vlogs so I can use this channel for motorcycle and world trip stuff, and you can take all the other stuff onto the second channel? You mean third channel, right? Because this is already your second channel after you made a mess of the URL The Heartbroken Biker in the starting days of motovlogging, and 6 months later you made this second channel after you couldn't fix that URL. हाँ पता है जा अब ज़्यादा शाना मत बन, जा नया चैनल स्टार्ट कर। ओके खामोई। Alright, more shots you can see when I post to that channel. For now, I want you guys to go to the description of this video, find the channel link and subscribe to it. And it'll be very nice if you enable all notifications on that channel. Like this. And like this if you're using a PC. Let me know in the comments below when you're done subscribing to my other channel, and now I'll tell you why I created that channel. You see, I started this channel with motorcycle travel, but even in the initial days I used to talk about life stuff apart from motorcycles. We used to discuss that a lot, and then I moved on to a bit of roast videos once in a while, roast against all the shit stuff that goes on in this world. Then I did some comedy spoof bits all in this channel. Then I brought in gaming right there in this channel. I did some of the how-tos, like how to maintain a motorcycle, how to break in your motorcycle boots, etc. Essentially, I was trying to jam all the multiple things that this brain has interest in into one channel. And back then YouTube was about that. It was about your own uniqueness, how one creator can grow over time, not copy, but grow with his own outlook of life. But over time, a lot of things has changed, especially in YouTube India, especially with creators who have multiple interests in life. It almost seems like YouTube is kind of punishing anybody who has different passions, different interests in life. They de-rank the channels, your videos don't reach your own subscribers, forget extended reach, and you also lose thousands of subscribers a month, especially if you have varied interests in life and you want to put all that in the single channel. Instead, they kind of reward if you can repeat what will become hit, what can get views, what can get money, not what you want to be, not originality. So essentially, if your life is dependent on YouTube money and sponsorship, you will be forced to repeat the same success formula, success being counted in number of views, not your own growth, like your own personal and brain growth. No, number of views, no matter how low the content quality is, content level and the IQ level of that content is. So then creators for money keep on repeating that circle and your life becomes confined within that circle. Now that does not sit well with me. You see, I believe that as humans, we should all explore our unique selves, especially because we may not get this life back again. But on the other hand, I see that my channel has taken a lot of damage, especially because this platform is in the hands of folks who just want to do business with everything. So I've been thinking of a way to not bow down to the YouTube algorithm and still bring back a little focus, especially now that I'm investing so much time and money into the world trip and moving to different geographical location. I'm learning so many different new things which I want to share on the channel, which I haven't shared on the channel and which I have hinted so many times earlier before even moving. For example, one of those things is in the frame right now. Can you figure it out? So I came up with a plan. I hope this works. I'm splitting this channel. So the Heartbroken Biker channel will only have essentially motor travel and the world trip stuff obviously now. So from now on, you'll only see series like Bali on a motorcycle type series. So next will be Sri Lanka on a motorcycle. If I find time, there'll be like Gujarat on a motorcycle if I find those files. And then there'll be other countries on motorcycle which you still do not know, which I have already traveled. Those secret trips will all be on HPB. And in between, you'll have how-tos, how to travel, how to camp, go on international travel, what happens in each different countries while you travel, all focused around motorcycle travel. The rest of the stuff goes here. Gaming, well, I'm playing games, but I don't think I'll be streaming again. The how-tos will be specific to world trip and motorcycle travel. The other kind of how-tos about basic life stuff on how to do different things apart from that will all be here. Now there's something else I want to ask you guys. What about car trips? Where do you think the car stuff should go? Should it go in this channel or should it go in this channel? As in, that'll include the car trips me and my partner will take, this or this. You tell me in the comments below. And apart from this, mainly this channel is being created for so what can be this new stuff? Why don't you guys go and find out on the second channel? This is Heartbroken Biker signing off. Sayonara.